Hi there, this is Bill from One Betty Bill. Today we're going to do a little sweet corn on the grill. Grilling corn, quick and easy. First of all, you get your corn. You peel back, cut off any ends that are maybe hanging off there. Some people like to break this end off. I leave it. I do cut the silks off at the end. And that's ready for the grill. I'm happy with it that way. There's a few different ways you can do it. Other people like to peel back a little bit, shuck it back a little bit. Actually pull this and takes the silks off. And break the tip of that off. There's not much corn on there, but pull it back and grill it. You can also just clean it all the way and put foil on it. It's good that way too. Butter it and put in foil. This way we're doing it with the shucks on. Butter the corn up a little bit and put a little bit of salt on it. Close your back up and you're ready to go. Now my wife's a diabetic, so we don't do the sugar route. The other way you can do it, and it's really good for you folks that have a sweet tooth, you take it after you cut it back like this and you soak it in a tub for about a half hour to an hour with water and about a cup of sugar for a dozen ears of corn. Soak it and then pull it out, trim off any excess, and you're ready to go. So I've got mine all set, ready to go. We're gonna head out, put it on the grill. I've got the grill lit up, so we're about all ready. Okay, the grill has been on. Warm it up. Corn's all ready, so we're gonna go ahead and throw the suckers on there. It's nice and hot. Just lay the corn on. Then we'll come back about every 8 to 10 minutes. We'll roll that over. And we'll do that about 3 times. And we'll be ready to go. Sweet corn on the grill. Can't beat it. Sure you have your handy tongs ready. Or when you're ready. We're going to come over and flip them in a little bit. Well, things been on the grill for a while. Here's what happens when corn looks good in there. We like a little crusty, well done on the inside, and that's what happens when you butter it, and the outer shucks will burn off. The one that you did not butter, as you see, it's there and it's still cocooned in the husk. We're doing a cup of Polish sausage, teriyaki chicken skewers, and my wife likes hot dogs well done. Believe me, they're well done. So we're going to take these off here now and take them in and enjoy. Well, pull the corn off the grill. It's looking pretty good. We're going to take it in, put it by the sink, clean her up, and enjoy our meal. My wife's got the rest of the stuff all ready, raring to go. The last year, it was really, really good. Again, next time you do corn, look at one Betty built. Get some suggestions on the best grilled corn in town. At least that's my opinion. Thanks for watching.